24, 24, 24, 24. Answer the FaceTime. Hey! Hey, y'all. Hey! Hey! Okay, say hi to YouTube.
Well, hello, YouTube. Hey.
Okay, so you guys, I am really cheating because it is not December. It is actually Thanksgiving Day. So one of them is in California and then like the other ones are scattered across Virginia. And I am here at my own house recording a video and they entered into my video. So yeah.
You look beautiful.
Thank you.
You beautiful.
Thank you, girl. So yeah. Oh, hold on, y'all. Hold on. And lastly, down here is a box of costumes. Sometimes you just need to put a costume on and live your best life. I know what you're thinking. But Suge, is everything okay at home? And why do you have on a costume? Why not? Honestly, I don't understand how it became socially unacceptable to not wear a costume when it's not Halloween. I don't understand that. Like, honestly, I feel like you should be able to wear this whole getup anytime you want to work, to church. I honestly feel like you should be able to wear a costume because you feel like wearing a costume. Now, don't get me wrong. I understand in certain situations, it will not be appropriate to wear a costume like this, especially if you have a job that requires you to wear a uniform or if these sort of things make it caught up in machinery. But just in general, you really should be able to wear what you want. And that includes wearing a costume. Especially if wearing a costume is gonna make you feel better. Because sometimes you just need a little bit of extra something in your life. And sometimes that extra something is all of this, is this. So honestly, I think we should normalize wearing a costume if you feel inclined to wear a costume. I know what you're thinking. But Suge, what am I supposed to say if somebody approaches me on the street asking why I got all of this on? I'm so glad you asked. All you need to say is, what is it about me that makes you not want to mind your business? And watch them fish around trying to figure out how to answer the question because it goes back to them not minding their business. So yeah, put the costume on if it makes you feel better. And the girl's about to put their costume on and we are about to have a dance party because why not? With all the stuff that's out here happening, sometimes you need an escape and a form of dressing up. I dare you to put on your costume. And I extra dare you to go to work with your costume on. I know what else you're thinking. But Suge, there is absolutely no way you have on a costume at the end of December. There's no way you pre-recorded this video. As a matter of fact, I did not, and I'm gonna prove it to you. Siri, what's today's date?
It's Wednesday, December 23rd, 2020.
I told you. And with that, I am about to go. One more video and then Vlogmas will be over. Not that I have a problem with Vlogmas, but I'm just glad that it will be over. All right, guys, I will see you all tomorrow for the last Vlogmas video. Be blessed. Peace.